This will be my introduction to Twilight. Okay. No. Welcome to another episode of Please Dear God, Don't Be a Bomb and/or Funko Pop. I'm going to start this by saying I actually am proud of all of you because I don't think there is a Funko Pop here. None of these packages are thick enough to hold Funko Pops. And the level of restraint that took from you is genuinely amazing. So I don't know how that happened, if just collectively there was a psychological phenomenon where everyone agreed to not send me a bunch of Funko Pops I'd have to then go donate, but thank you. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start opening potential boom booms. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. We're good. Okay, so we're gonna start with the package because I figured let's go right because it has weird Christian crap on it. So I get people sending me emails trying to convert me often, and so let's just see what this person is doing. I don't know or trust them. Hence the face shield. Why is there a red line? You stay there. Do not play with knives. I am a trained professional. Jesus on Trial, a study in the fourth gospel with no note. We're starting with Jesus on first book back, soaring success. Okay, you guys realize if you send me a bunch of books, I'm just obviously not gonna read. I just donate them. A bunch of other people get free books. All right, the last time I donated a ton of Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb books, I went to a place that normally you sell books to, but I didn't want to make profit off getting rid of people's books that they sent me. I just gave it to this small little business, and they were like, thank you? They were confused. They didn't understand what the hell's happening. I don't understand what the hell's happening. The Black Tongue Thief. Your smallest mistake could become your biggest adventure. Hi Daniel, first off, love your videos and thank you for getting me into Kings of the Wild. I love the series. So here's one of my favorite books in return. I hope you like it as much as I do. P.S. It has goblins in it from Ryan. Well, it has a dazzling recommendation from Robin Hobb. It's from Christopher Bullem. He's published by Tor. I like that cover. That's a nice cover. I need to remember to show you guys covers. That's a good cover. Okay, okay, this one's weird. Shit from Amazon. A copy of my own How did I not see that coming? Hi Daniel, I recently found and fell in love with your channel. Thank you for introducing me to Cosmere and rekindling my love fantasy. Heard you might need a few more of these. Thank you, Big Lou. That is absolutely hilarious. You might win this episode of Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb because that's like a weird flex. Ow. I'm glad Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb is back. Have another potato. Katie M. I'm not gonna not give you some ASMR potato action. For some reason in my head was just like, what if it bled? Like, what if I cut this and blood just came out? I don't know why, but that was where my head went. Hold up. Oh, you're a sticker. You have one job. Do the thing you were made to do. That'll be there until it falls. I shouldn't bite this. I really shouldn't. Okay. Something soft and squishy. People who are like newer subscribers to the channel, they don't know. They don't know about this. And they're probably a little confused. Go watch the older episodes. Oh God, to get the references. No, stop falling. Fine, you go on the table forever. An F-bomb. Oh, that's cool. It's a literal F-bomb. Masterworks for the Emperor by oh, it's Warhammer 40k. Nice. Check that out. Warhammer 40k. Battle Angel, Attila. Ooh, I actually really wanted to read this. There you go. Two more Bukarooskis. Hi Daniel, Nicola again. Here's my favorite manga and one of the best sci-fi stories. If you enjoy cyberpunk, you're gonna love this. Hope you enjoy it, Nicola. Okay, that's actually something I really wanted to read. So that's going on the TBR immediately. Don't take me flicking it to the floor as me not liking it. I definitely want it. I just am also a disheveled goblin. Watch. Ouch! Still gonna read it. And seamlessly happening within the same shot on the same day, we have me opening 2 more boxes. This is an intense geopolitical fantasy series that NPR claims reshaped the landscape. Freaking read it, Goblin Man, Ashley and Amanda. The Trader Baru Cormorant. Another book! Yay! And the first box that has a theoretical chance of being a Funko Pop. Oh no, wouldn't it be a shame if I stabbed it? I already have Paranesi, but don't worry, I will donate this. Woo! I think this may come before the other part of my order. My mom read this book. Hopefully Paranesi makes up for it. It does make up for it. I do genuinely appreciate you getting me Paranesi. And I will donate it very soon to people who will enjoy it for what it is. That I will do. Fucking, this is therapeutic. Oh yeah, come here. Oh yeah, it cuts so good. Thank you for the copy of Paranesi. Appreciate you. Oh, it's Andrew Rowe. How's it going, Andrew Rowe? Here's the rest of the series. Writing does get better. From Ernest. Oh, it's Andrew Rowe's entire remainder of his series. So we got a lot more of these. I think I already have this one, possibly. And there's this guy. At least a Slim Boy right there. And there's another one right there as well. The explosion when I throw stuff originated from Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb. So, Return of the King here. That's a spanky boy. Oh, I haven't been doing the book spanks. I almost just slapped that knife. That would have been awesome. Okay, the books. I'm sending you a spank through the glove. I actually just hit both of those. I'm kind of impressed with myself. Good to see Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb is back. I'm sending you a spank from Premium James. Okay. Oh. The Road Ahead. The Living Sword 2 by Primmy James. So it's your book. You wrote this. I need to give you a good old spanking. Careful not to hit the knife. That's an honor. You are among sworn company. There's more Andrew Rowe. This is becoming the Andrew Rowe show. You want to open boxes with me, Andrew? I promise it's a very normal thing. And we don't get weird. The artwork for these is really fantastic. That's another one right there. So we can just add it to this pile of Andrew Rowe. Okay. Man Tiger by Ika Kurnawe. Hi Daniel, this is one of the more popular translated Indonesian fantasy books. Ooh. That's so cool. Thank you. Man Tiger. Boom. Right there. Give it a good old spank. Okay, a lot of people are like worried that it's a real knife and that I could hurt myself. I want to prove to you guys that there's no risk of me being hurt. Oh right, it is real. God, if only I had some kind of sharp instrument to open these. This got weird. Oh, it's from Potato. I've literally had these for over a year, now waiting for Please Dear God Don't Be a God Return, and by now it's probably been way too long for this joke to still be funny, but oh well. For those of you who don't know, I hate Taco Bell. And Potato has given me expired... This show is wonderful content. Oh, good God. The fact that we have Taco Bell coupons is just a sign that we shouldn't be allowed to live. Oh, your handwriting is so small. Dear Mr. Daniel Goblin Greene, to be honest, I'm sure not how to begin this letter, such as this. Well, care. That was so nice. Thank you. I always appreciate this kind of stuff, man. And it's really nice. I also hey, Pips is in here. Don't throw things anymore, especially the knife. Daniel, about a year ago, I sent you a copy of my book, The Petal Rose, with my pen name. Oh, the self-pub authors like having their books on here. It's fine. I understand. I understand it's part of the hustle, and I love you guys. But you gotta understand, those are like the least fun content. Like, I love getting them, but like in terms of making that engaging content for the audience, it's kind of difficult. Chronological and background charts of the Old Testament. Christian stuff. The amount of times I've had emails telling me I'm gonna burn in hell. It's really fun. But this is more fun because it's Dreams of the Dying. Dreams of the Dying. Why did I say Dying? This, holy crap, that's a cool cover. Check that out. You got like undead lord dude sitting over some undead people while this guy's mourning a dead guy. There's a lot of death here and some wonderful curtainage happening as well. I hope the camera's picking that up. Neat. But I shall give it a book spanking. When did you get back in here? I just saw you leave. You're not allowed to be a ghost cat. That's very spooky. Thank you, Dylan, for everything you do. Your BookTube channel, Breach of Peace, was a fantastic first book. Oh, thank you. Discovering flames dancing on logs. What a strange sight it was. A crackling fireplace here in the tropics. That paints a picture, they say. That's a saying they say sometimes. Curse of the Mist Wraith with the guys from El Dorado on the cover. Rival brothers must unite if their world is to survive. We have a bard and a rogue, it looks like, or a nobly character. Either way, we're getting a random passage. Let's hear a new relief that after Sevier and Esterd had drawn blankets, the master did not dismiss his concern as groundless fancy. Ooh, fascinating. It gets a book spank. Everyone always gets on my case like you're damaging books. Guys, one, they're meant to be read. They're meant to have crease on, that's fine. And also, this does not hurt a book. They are very good at dealing with impact. Even like this does not hurt a book. Everyone acts like books are made of glass. It's fine. All right, I swung by the post office before uploading this, and there were a couple more. We have China Millville, Pier de Street Station. Okay, with the nice like edged pages. I've also really appreciated that whenever I get that in a book. Hey Daniel, love your channel for a few years now. I've been hoping you would stumble upon. I love the Netherlands. I also had Orbit just send me Jade Legacy, which is probably my most anticipated book of this year. Also, sorry for the mask, Delta variant. This one might be a bomb. All right, Daniel, King of I'm not a King of Gobble. Can't be that big a fan if you don't know that. Daniel, I'm a longtime fan of your channel. All right, I'm considering no longer allowing self-promo, and please, dear God, don't be a bomb. But those are some pretty neat covers. That's not bad at all. Book of White Rose by Lars J. Odin. That is the largest font I have ever seen in a book. No note. Bye! And the final box on this episode of Please, Dear God, Don't Be a Bomb. Ow! God! Oh, it ripped. Look, I have fingerless rubber gloves. Enjoy. Well, this is the perfect package to end on. It says, enjoy from Amanda the Jedi. And it is a copy of Midnight Sun. I think the last Twilight book? If you haven't checked out Amanda's channel, I've collaborated with her before. She's absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend to you. Oh my God, my glove is glistening in sweat. It's hot in here. Oh, ew. If you haven't checked out her channel, you absolutely should. And ow! I am going to read and review this book out of context. I'm not going to read the first ones here on the channel. This will be my introduction to Twilight. I'm going to make that happen. Book spank! Ew, they're wet! And of course, I'd like to record a special shout out to my latest high-tier Patreon, Vaclav Kukrana. Words.